Dear respected farmers, this is Fu, pharmacist of Fangtong Animal Pharmaceuticals. Today, as promised, I would like to talk a few words on disinfection. I take disinfection on bird farm as an illustration. As we all know, the turnover of boiler is very fast. It only takes around 42 days for some big size white feather boiler. And the interval between offtake of one batch and the incoming of another batch is around 10 days. So after offtake, you need to conduct an overall disinfection on your colony house and make it cleaned for next batch. It is simple if you pay attention to following 4 steps. Step 1, cleaning. You should remove all discarded items. Remove all faces out of your house. Cleaning dusts on the wall, floor, ceilings. You can use some equipment like water gun. Make sure there is no dead color left. Step 2, spraying disinfectant. After cleaning, all stuffs show its true colors. So it is easy to be disinfected now. It is understandable. When your animal have wounds, what is the first thing you have to do? The first thing you must do is clean wounds, right? Usually we use normal saline. You can't do disinfect without removing dusts, pus from the wounds, right? According to the condition of your house, many disinfectant you can choose, like caustic soda, chlorine preparations, iodine preparations, glue tarita. You can use any one of them, but rotational each time. Step 3, fumigation. After above 2 steps, there may be some dead corners. Then you can apply fumigation. There are many fumigation materials and equipments, like formaldehyde, like potassium permanganate. Indeed, such kind of thing is also a disinfectant, but in gas. You know, the gas can go anywhere without dead corner. Pay attention that you need to close and seal the house completely, no leakage. To achieve good effect, the house needs to be sealed for 24 hours
to 48 hours.
After
48 hours,
you can open the house to avoid irritation to your new coming bird. Of course, if you're not hurry to bring new batch of birds, you can certainly close it for more times. Step 4, to disinfect the outside of the house. Outside the environment also need to be cleaned and sprayed, including roads in the farm, entry and exit, etc. A well-managed bird farm have a standard operation procedure. Based on this SOP, even they have validation on their disinfection. For example, they take samples at various points to tests in order to get colony-forming units before and after disinfection. We must know that we can't kill all bacteria and viruses in your farm because you cannot isolate housing area and farming area completely. Animal is not in vacuum environment. Commercial bacteria always exists. The air is always flowing, but we can reduce its quantity and making the quantity not big enough to infect your animal. Also, you need to pay attention to daily routine disinfection and increase the frequency and enhance the method if there is pandemic or certain infectious disease in your areas. These 4 steps is for your reference. Pay attention to Fangtong and enjoying an easy farming.